There's more sand.
Well, I certainly hope this little incident
I
hasn't
should
put you off
do.
flight, because statistically speaking, of course, it's still the safest way to travel.
Right.
Yeah. Heading for that wolf.
A friend.
What happened? $500 million.
What's the motive?
More shocks.
I did it. It's my fault. I killed Ian.
Take him down.
Now we can start talking about this, or we can call in the lawyers. Simply more of your favorite shows. Is that what you want?
You don't deserve to live. Weeknights. Without a trace on Ion Television.
Positively entertaining.
The sun used to make our outdoor deck and patio space so hot and uncomfortable we couldn't use it.
We discovered the Sunsetter retractable awning. Our Sunsetter retractable awning opens and closes in just 60 seconds. It keeps our patio about 20 degrees cooler.
And instant protection from the sun's harmful rays.
And our Sunsetter costs under $700.
But now you can get your Sunsetter for as little as $499 when you call now to get this special $200 discount certificate.
We love our Sunsetter retractable awning, and you're going to love yours too. It transfers from sweltering sun to shady oasis in only seconds.
Call now for the Idea Kit, packed with great solutions that will let you enjoy your decor.
Ha ha ha. I gotta find something to eat.
That will bring you yours. 400.
You can choose from motorized awnings for push-button opening and closing, or choose screened-in models for bug-free outdoor living, all for just a bit more.
No wonder Sunsetter is America's best-selling retractable awning.
Call now to get the whole Sunsetter story. You'll get this free awning DVD plus a $200 discount certificate, and there's no obligation.
Hundreds of thousands of families own and love their Sunsetter retractable awnings. We're one of them, and you should be too.
Stay cooler and enjoy your deck or patio much more often.
And do it all at $200 off if you call now.
Call now for your free awning idea kit with DVD and $200 discount certificate. Life is better under a Sunsetter. Call now and save.
Call 1-800-233-1667. 1-800-233-1667.
You're between the ages of 40 and 85. Call 1-800-348-0600 now. More about Funeral Advantage. The average funeral costs $9,000, but the most government benefits will pay your family is only $255, leaving your loved ones to pay the balance. Funeral Advantage helps protect your loved ones. It pays up to $20,000 cash immediately.